What's going on everyone, Nathan here from myimtips.com, and in today's video we are going to have a look at 10 affiliate marketing tips for beginners. Now these tips are something you want to know even before you start with affiliate marketing. But even if you are an experienced affiliate marketer, it might be a good reminder for you to watch this video. All you have to do is stick around, watch the whole video here, but first, if you are new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about affiliate marketing, making money online, and a lot more. Alright guys, so as I said exactly here, I'm gonna share with you here not one, not two, but 10, if not even more, affiliate marketing tips and insights here, especially if you are a beginner, and these are great to know about before you get started with affiliate marketing, so it will save you actually thousands of hours and thousands of dollars as well. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, first and probably the most important is of course to find a niche there. If you haven't found anything already, we don't know what to promote, how to get started with affiliate marketing. Many people prefer to get started with something they're interested in. Let's say for example they're interested in muscle building, weight loss or whatever, so they want to focus on that niche because they think they are knowledgeable about that niche. We're going to talk about this a little bit later, but if you don't know, you can actually get a good idea, and I'm going to use here clickbank.com. Clickbank is one of the easiest way actually to get started as an affiliate in my opinion, because they do have thousands of products that you can promote, and it's also free to get started with. Very easy, you can just grab your link there and more or less promote that link. That is how simple it is. So you can see here I have logged in here to ClickBank, and you can see already here that there is tons of categories here. Now usually most of the people, they are telling you that health, wealth and fitness, relationship is some of the most popular niches there, and while it is true, I think that you can find actually some low fruit niches, if I may call it so, that you can actually make money with. So it totally depends here on your knowledge. If you want to focus on something that people don't know so much about, you can just search around and find a related product to that as well. Okay, next thing is we definitely need to learn about our audience that we are going to target. I mean, it's a good idea to learn about the age, the gender, of course, where are they located, where are they hanging around, what do they usually buy in our niche there. It could be a good idea, because the more information we know about these people, the easier it will be to find a product to promote there. Alright, the next thing would be to find as much information as possible for the product that we are going to promote. And this is another benefit I like a lot with, especially with ClickBank here, because most of the products they do have actually affiliate sites. So let's have a look here a little bit. If I go, for example, in the health and fitness here, let's see here, you can see what is popular right now. Okay, we have a new product here, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. This is actually a product that I haven't paid attention to, but you can see here you can earn $129.74 per sale that you get. And as I said, you just grab a link here, real cool. But look at this, this is what we are interested in here, and that is to find out information about this product. Now, if it is a well-organized affiliate site, you will find anything from email swipes, articles, videos. There are tons of material that we can take advantage of. And I can quickly see here, I haven't seen this page before actually here. It explains here, first of all, of course, what it is, who buys it, exactly as I said earlier here. Okay, you can see here it is for men and women over 30. So if it is that target group, it's a perfect product to promote there. The next thing here, they tell you why you should promote, 3 different reasons. So you can already see here and get tons of information by just have a quick look here. This is another important thing with the disclaimers. Have a look at it, and the terms, of course, to promote the product. But if I go to the top here, you can see that there is, for example, the top converting email swipe. So We're going to talk about email marketing here real soon, but you can see that there is of course email swipes also available here, and you can get instant access to them by clicking here. So I'm not going to do that right now. Here you can get your link, landing page options. There are different landing pages because it depends. You might have paid traffic, for example, and many paid traffic sources, they do not like exit pop-ups. So you can have, you can promote that page, for example. Here are the commission details. Here are some Facebook ad resources. And I know that other products they do have, for example, they might even have videos that you can upload on, for example, on your YouTube channel. While I do not recommend, actually, you should create your own videos also. And of course I do have article, but we can get tons of information from this article and videos and rewrite them. Okay, so we make a unique content to upload if it is our blog or whatever it is there. Alright, the next thing would be probably also the most important in the whole video I'm going to share with you today here, and that is build an email list. You heard the phrase, the money is in the list, and I have talked about it in the past, but if you're new around, I'm just going to mention it real quick. That is how I got started with a super big mistake, and I didn't build an email list. So I started off with Facebook. I heard about that email marketing was dead there. I built a Facebook page and I woke up after spending thousands of hours and dollars and it was gone. Never knew why. So that is where I decided to build an email list, and I'm focusing on that, and that is what I tell everyone who's getting started with, no matter what kind of a business, both on and offline. I think that they should build an email list. There is also something said about it takes about 7 times before they start to like you, trust you, and of course buy from you. And it goes very well with an email list building, because if I send the traffic straight to the offer, I only have one shot, but here I have many shots. So you do need, of course, to connect with your list a little bit there, engage them, and also of course promote the right way. I talked about it in many of my other videos here on the channel, so have a look at those videos there also. Alright, the next thing is how are you going to sell the video? And here is something that you need to pay attention to as well. So really simple, what you do here is you go to ClickBank, you can click on to have a look at the sales page, and this is a video sales letter, okay? And what do they do on a video sales letter? Well, they present it, but they don't start with, for example, telling about the benefits, but they do build a story. And that is how you get started to visualize what you need. You need to focus on the outcome. What is the result of this product? And that is very important actually to think when you're getting started with affiliate marketing, because when I got started, I just bombarded with benefits. But if people really don't want the product, it doesn't matter, okay? So what you need to do is you need to think different a little bit on how you're going to approach your audience and promote the offer there. The outcome could really be simple. I want to lose weight, for example, and that is exactly what we are going to see in the video sales letter. So take advantage of that information also and apply it as an affiliate, because you do need to learn how to pre-sell. Okay, so people, when they see your pre-sell content there, they will feel that, okay, this is exactly what he was talking about in the pre-sell page, and now is the product here. So it will help you, of course, to get the sale there. Alright, the next thing is you should focus on one traffic strategy at a time. It doesn't matter if it is paid traffic, free traffic. If you're, for example, go for YouTube here, you can see here, for example, this is my other YouTube channel. By the way, make sure you subscribe to that channel too, because I do share a lot of free strategies and a lot more content here also about how to make money online. And if you're getting started with this, focus on it. I mean, I know, for example, there was a time when I uploaded 5 or 6 videos per week here, and that's how I got result, of course, with this channel and other channels that I have also. So you do need to be consistent and focus on one traffic source. It takes time, especially if it is free traffic. It might take you some time, okay? YouTube takes time. So, but you need to be focused on it. Focus on one traffic source and then move on to the next traffic source. If it didn't work out for you, you move on to the next one. If you go for paid traffic, it is of course a much better and faster route, but of course it also costs money. I mean, one quick example, if you are in the make money online niche, the best traffic you can get is actually solo ads. I've been involved as a solo ad vendor since 2013, so I know it converts, but you do know how to do it right. I talked about this in other videos also. But of course there are many other paid traffic sources. We have YouTube ads, Google ads, Bing ads, Yahoo has something, there are native ads also, tons of paid traffic sources, and again it depends on your niche and the product that you want to promote. What works for native ads for that specific product might not work at all for YouTube, for example. So make sure you do your research there also, and you can also find many times this information about the product, of course, on the affiliate site there. Alright, next thing is tracking. You do need to track and have a link shortener and redirect. It is a must actually, because if you don't track, for example, you don't know what is happening, how many people are coming through your link there. So definitely you do need to have some kind of a tracker. And I used to actually promote ClickMagick. It's still a good option, but I found actually something that is much cheaper. And I'm gonna leave a link here, right here below if you want to test it out. It is a free 30-day trial there, and it does actually more or less the same thing as ClickMagick, so I definitely recommend it. Now, one very useful feature here is a rotator. So what does a rotator do? Well, you do add actually 5, 6, 10 products there, and what happens is, I'm going to show you here, I'm blurring out some details. What happens is that first time the visitor comes here, they will see the first offer you have on the top there. The next day you send an email again and they will see the second offer, the third they will see the third one. So you don't have to actually think about what kind of a products, but you can rotate this. It's a great way, especially if you want to test what converts there. So you can add 5 weight loss products, for example, and see what is selling, and then focus on only that product for a while. The next thing is, of course, you do need to test your affiliate links to see if they work, because it happens from time to time that, let's say, for example, they take down the affiliate product without any notice there, and you need to see if it is actually working, or they have changed. They might go to a new platform, the affiliate program there, so they might have made any change and your affiliate link doesn't work, which is not so good because you, of course, miss out on your commissions there. Let's say, for example, that you're on a blog like I am right here, so you just go inside here and test and see if anything is working. Okay, so I mean, I could go here, for example, I promote Fast Comment as a hosting. I want to see if it is working, and it is working. Okay, you do need to test from time to time. It has happened in the past, and it's not so fun actually to miss out on commissions that you should have there. Testing, I talked about this and I also did a video about it. You do need to test every single day. One day one product might convert, the next one it might be dead for you. Okay, so you do need to test every single day, and test in landing pages, test the products, test, test, and test. I can't emphasize this enough. You should be testing every single day your campaigns there to improve them and to, of course, to increase your conversions there. Alright, finally, I wanted to mention you do need to educate yourself all the time. Things are changing all the time there, so it's definitely a good idea to be updated as often as possible. And talking about education, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at if you're interested in getting started with affiliate marketing as a beginner, or even if you are experienced one. Learn how to build a long-term sustainable online business with affiliate marketing, make a full-time passive income with it, and a lot more. So make sure you check out the link right here below. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.